Welcome to groups.io. Today we'll explore the member labels feature. Member labels are available in premium and enterprise groups and help you organize and categorize your group members. Let's start by selecting a member to add a label to. I'll check this member's checkbox. Now I'll click the Actions drop-down menu, and from the menu, I'll select Change Member Labels. The Member Labels modal has two tabs. Let's create a new label by clicking the Create New tab. I'll enter a name for our new label and add an optional description. Notice the preview showing how the label will look. Now I'll click Create and Add Label and apply changes. The label has been created and applied, as you can see here. You can filter on labels using the Filter drop-down at the top of the page. Now let's navigate to a subgroup to see how label inheritance works. You can see the label we just added from the parent group here, as shown as an outlined badge. I'll click on the same member to view their details in the subgroup. I'll click the Set Labels button to modify the labels for this member. You can again see the inherited label from the parent group, and you can also add new labels specific to this subgroup. I'll add a label and then save the changes. Finally, there is the Member Label page. Here, you can manage all labels across the group. You can add new labels and edit or delete existing labels. The Member Labels feature helps you organize members visually, supports inheritance in subgroups, and provides powerful filtering capabilities. Thanks for watching.